Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. In case you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. As for the Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and of course, this is the live chart. Okay, I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So these actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it has not been able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend, gave us a downtrend signal, and only gave us a single sell signal, and it has been selling since then. And this is the reason. The reason is because there is no major pullback in between. Okay, so it has been a smooth movement right from this entry point down to this very moment, and it is still selling. Okay, it is still selling. Okay, we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been an uptrend right from this support region, gave us an uptrend signal, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so and of course, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, it has broken out from most of the TPs highlighted before. Okay, so we expect it to now get to this particular. If it breaks out from here, okay, let me put it this way: if it breaks out from here, sorry, from here, so we expect it to now get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity. At least the trend has not changed. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PNX 1200. PNX 1200 has been on downtrend for a very, very long time. Very, very long time. If I should take it backward, you notice that it has been on downtrend, got to this support zone, and played around there for a very long time before breaking out below it at this point. And just like I have been explaining to you, once there is a breakout, it will go in that direction for a while. Okay, so you can see it has been going down and down. It has gotten to another support region again, and it is playing around there to see if it will be able to go fully into an uptrend, or probably if it will break out below this support zone. So for now, it is still selling until a proper decision is taken. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999. And of course, this had been on downtrend right from here. Also got to this support zone, tried to go back on uptrend, has not been able to go fully. So it is pulling back at the moment, so it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend, so we should watch out for that. For now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it's going to keep on buying. Okay, now let's check out FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. This has been on downtrend, got to this particular region at a buy, and of course it didn't go too far because of this resistance zone. Okay, so it came back down and has been playing around there for a while. It has not been able to take a clear decision if it's going to continue to buy or probably go back on downtrend. Okay, but for now it is selling until a clear decision is fully taken. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, Go back to my channel, watch my training videos, and of course, make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God